Life is a tragedy for those who feel and comedy for those who think. Hello, I'm Faiz Lakhani. Today I'm going to speak on the topic the purpose of the comedian, joke or insult. I would like to start by telling you an incident which took place with our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, in April 2015, Veer Das, a famous comedian, made fun of Dr. Kalam in his gig, enacting a hypothetical scene where a brahmachari like Dr. Kalam was hosting an MTV show and being attacked by some women. Some people in the audience got so offended that they called the police. The show was disrupted. An ugly scene was ensued. One of the students of Dr. Kalam read about the act and showed it to Dr. Kalam. He said, "Look, somebody made a joke on you," and the police caught him. Dr. Kalam asked why. The student replied, "The joke was bad." Dr. Kalam said, "I don't agree. How can comedy of any kind be offensive?" Further, he added, "Jokes are meant to be laughed at. You smile at the joke. There is no need to feel offended. Tolerance to humor is essential for a thinking society." Times change and taboos change. India is going through a period of comedic transition. That means a joke which you might find offensive today may be acceptable an year later. Nowadays, it is very difficult to consider a statement as a joke or an insult because people of this generation are woke and aware about their individual rights of freedom of speech and expression that we can't just come to a general conclusion. Recently, a comedian made a joke on types of people on Quora, which is a platform where knowledge is exchanged. The joke includes a so-called controversial statement about a project of government which is named after a renowned king and leader, and this offended a bunch of people who failed to understand the base on which the joke was structured. Sometimes the psyche of the speaker and the listener does not match, which creates unexpected circumstances. Sometimes the intellect of the comedian goes against the political ideology of the listener, which can result into social and financial troubles for the comedian. Nowadays, many of you are fond of watching stand-up comedy, and you must know that some of the world's best-known comedians have built their career on being offensive. The amount of success of these offensive comedians have achieved proves that many people find their jokes funny rather than insulting. In our country, jokes on physical appearance and body shaming are still not considered offensive, but in Western countries, these jokes are considered to be offensive. Whereas in India, political jokes hurt people's sentiments, but in Western countries, these type of jokes doesn't affect people. In conclusion, the probability of joke being considered offensive or funny depends upon the time, place, audience, and the person performing it. Why people choose to be offended? I can't answer that other than to say that people will always find something to offend them. So what is the purpose of comedian and what people expect from him is simple. A comedian plays an important role in our society, and its purpose is to bring joy in our busy lives, and this is what people expect from him. Thank you.